What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Plankton from Spongebob Squarepants. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page with the brow. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's add a curve coming down the middle and then back up towards the right. Now we're going to add some points along the sides. So starting on the left, we're going to come in, out, out. Do the same thing on the right, coming in, and then out. Then we're going to close off the top with another curve, coming down and then up. Let's fill the inside of the brow in black. Let's tuck the eye in underneath that brow. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a large oval. Come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye. Come up the right and then back in. Let's go up to the top and draw a small oval for the pupil. Now add a small highlight circle along the top. Let's add a fold underneath the eye, coming down and then up. Step down, draw the top of the mouth. We start all the way over on the left, then it's down the middle, and then up. Let's place the cheeks on top of the mouth. So we're going to step up, then it's down, and then out. And then going back to the side, let's draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, almost like drawing a half oval, come around, and then back up on the right side. Along the top, we're going to add another curve to the bottom of the teeth. And then we'll separate the teeth, starting in the middle with a straight line. Let's work our way out towards the left with a couple more lines coming down, and then do the same thing on the right. Along the bottom, let's add a curve for the bottom row of teeth, and we'll separate this with 3 lines. Let's place the tongue along the bottom. So we start from the bottom left, we're going to go up, bend that down, step back to create a fold. We're going to go up and then down towards the right. Now just underneath the cheeks, I'm going to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up and then out towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right. Let's fold the hand. We're going to step back out, go all the way around on the outside, and then bend that in towards the wrist. Let's draw another straight line coming in. I'm just going to bend that down towards the bottom. Now along the top, we're going to add a small half circle for the thumb. Now I'm going to layer the side of the body in behind the arms. So we're going to step out, we're going to go up and then out, round this out, around the eyebrow, come down the right side, come down and then in behind the arm. Now let's continue this curve underneath the arm, coming down and then out towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the feet, come in and then up. And then we're going to layer the body on top of the legs. So we're going to step out, curve this down the middle, and then back up. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the antennas. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, bend this up, and then out. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I want to taper these coming in and then down towards the head. So it gets wider. And then we're going to overlap these 4 bars across these antennas, starting along the bottom with a straight angled line. Move up, draw 3 more. And go a little bit shorter as we go up toward the top. Now I want to give each of these bars some thickness. Just going to flatten off the side and then the top. And then we'll fill the insides in black. Now we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Plankton from Spongebob SquarePants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.